the vast, silent abyss of space. For centuries, humanity has gazed upon it with a mix of wonder and trepidation. We've sent probes, built stations, and even walked on the moon. But as we dream of venturing further, to Mars and beyond, a crucial question echoes in the minds of prospective spacefarers: how safe is a spaceship? It's a question that Hollywood often answers with dramatic explosions and catastrophic system failures. We've seen astronauts battling rogue AI, dodging asteroid fields, and struggling against the vacuum of space itself. While these narratives make for gripping cinema, they often paint a picture of space travel as an inherently perilous endeavor, a gamble with impossibly high stakes. But what's the reality behind the silver screen theatrics? Is the journey to the stars a death-defying act, or is it, dare I say, becoming routine? To truly understand the safety of a spaceship, we need to peel back the layers of sci-fi fantasy and look at the meticulous engineering, rigorous testing, and painstaking procedures that go into every single mission. It's a world where redundancy isn't just a good idea, it's a life-or-death necessity. Every critical system has multiple backups, ready to take over at a moment's notice. Think of it like an aerospace version of Measure Twice, Cut Once, except with far more zeros in the budget and far higher stakes. One of the most immediate dangers people imagine is the vacuum of space itself. But modern spacecraft are designed with multiple layers of protection, constantly monitoring for tiny leaks and maintaining a breathable atmosphere. Then there's radiation, a silent killer in the cosmos. Spaceships employ shielding and sophisticated real-time monitoring systems to protect astronauts from harmful solar flares and cosmic rays. While it's a persistent challenge, it's one that engineers are constantly finding innovative ways to mitigate. And what about collisions? The vastness of space might seem empty, but it's increasingly populated with orbital debris. This is where advanced tracking systems come into play, constantly monitoring for potential impacts and allowing for evasive maneuvers if necessary. It's a cosmic ballet of precision and vigilance. Of course, no form of transportation is entirely without risk, and space travel is no exception. Accidents, while rare, have happened and serve as somber reminders of the inherent challenges. However, the lessons learned from every incident, every anomaly, are meticulously integrated into future designs and procedures, making each successive mission safer than the last. The goal isn't just to reach our destination, but to do so with the highest possible degree of safety for the brave individuals venturing beyond our planet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.